What's up, guys? I'm Alex Hill, host of Tastemade Spice Baby, and we're here at Sabores Oaxaqueños in Koreatown to get some Oaxacan food. Now I gotta find someone to eat with. Come on. Okay, so when you think of Hispanic food, what is the first thing you think of?
Tacos and enchiladas.
Mole.
I love the pupusas.
My favorite dish is the tlayuda.
Hi!
Hi.
Do you want to be interviewed about food really quick? Yeah? Okay. What's your name and where you're from?
I'm Noelle and I'm from LA.
What is the tip to finding authentic food here in LA?
If it looks like you just teleported to where the food is from,
Okay, so do you have time to eat today?
I do.
So we're gonna try some food together. Okay. I've never had Oaxacan food.
I don't think I have either.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's do it.
I'm ready to eat. This place is so cute.
This is adorable. This is what I meant by when you teleport somewhere. This place already looks like it.
I have to get a bag because everyone knows I always go to the farmer's market, so I need a farmer's market bag.
They have a lot of mezcal and everything's amazing.
We are so excited.
Today we're serving the traditional tlayuda, a black mole with chicken. We're serving the tamales with chicken and the chapulines a la mexicana.
So, okay, I have to try the mole.
And I really want to try the
try
tamales,
this.
so let's switch there.
So, I quit my job in 2021, and when I moved to Playa del Carmen for a month.
Wait, I lived in Playa del Carmen
What?
for 6 months.
So I moved there and I cooked with these Mexican women, and I learned how to make mole.
Okay, this looks so good.
I want a good piece. Oh my God. Do you like mole?
I didn't grow up with mole, so I grew up with the food that my mom would make,
Yeah,
which
same.
is specifically Sinaloa, which is coastal and seafood.
Now, okay, are you a flour tortilla girl or a corn tortilla?
Corn all the way.
The first time I ever made corn tortillas was in my mom's village, and just this tiny hut of a kitchen.
That's the best kind.
Yeah,
You
it
know,
is.
when you learn how to make it from your grandma, your mom.
Oh yeah.
Salud. Okay, oh my gosh. So I'm into the grasshopper.
The cheese.
Try the mole.
I will try the mole.
My pronunciation is so much better.
I grew up learning both languages,
Yeah.
but then once I started going to school, I just lost it.
My mom didn't teach me Spanish growing up. So it's always been an insecurity of mine of Spanish.
I think it's
yeah.
important to just keep encouraging other Latinas because
Yeah.
you just said you had an insecurity about your Spanish and I said I have an insecurity about my
Yeah.
Spanish. It doesn't diminish our Latinidad.
What is your favorite way to honor your culture?
Visiting family-owned businesses,
Yeah.
visiting local shops, visiting something that you can just tell is prepared with a lot of love.
Thank you for being free today and for dining with me. And we had an eat, pray, love moment.
Yes,
Both
we
in
did.
Playa del Carmen.
Both in Playa del Carmen.
My love for mezcal came from Playa del Carmen, so.
See, and we're gonna end with some mezcal. I'm Puerto Rican from the East Coast. You're Mexican from the West Coast. And I think it's two cultures coming together and we're one, right?
And we learned so much about each other's cultures too.
I love it.
Yeah.
To Hispanic Heritage Month.
Heritage Month.
Thank you guys for joining us for Hispanic Heritage Month. It's so cool learning about other cuisines, and Oaxacan food is really good. So how are you guys gonna celebrate this month?